everybody. Thanks for joining us today. My name is Rob Stringer, owner of Arizona Collision Center. I just wanted to do a little bit of a tutorial today. We constantly come across these situations when we're trying to repair people's vehicles where they either don't have the proper coverage or they were involved in an accident with an adverse carrier that has state minimum coverages and not enough coverage to actually properly repair their vehicle correctly and also pay for any medical bills and treatment. So I guess the reason why I want to do this video with you guys today is just to share some of my things that we experience day to day, and honestly things that really break my heart. Unfortunately, a lot of times we don't stop and take a step back and think about some of these things until it's too late and it impacts us financially, emotionally, physically, whatever may have you. So, first of all, I want to tell you guys, your insurance policy is definitely one of the most important things you want to review. You want to review your insurance policy to ensure many of different things. One, make sure that you're covered in case you get involved in an incident with somebody else that either has state minimum coverages, which is becoming all too common, or somebody that doesn't have any coverage at all. Another thing you want to do is go after, get in contact with your agent, talk to them as well about making sure you have an OEM rider on your policy. We go up to fight for you customers all the time to make sure that you got a proper repair on your vehicle and that you also have the factory OEM mandated crash tested parts put on your vehicle during the course of repair. And I cannot tell you how many hours a day we spend fighting for you guys to ensure a proper repair when simply it could cost up to $5 to $10 more a month to ensure that the insurance carrier never has the right to use those parts on your vehicle. So again, get back with your agent, contact a representative at the company and go through these things and make sure that you're covered on there. In the state of Arizona, we only have $1,000 of additional coverage to cover any add-ons that you've done to your vehicle or any aftermarket accessories or anything, such as wheels, tires, stereo systems, running boards, bed covers, spray and bed liners, whatever. And I can tell you from personal experiences, that's not going to get you very far. And it breaks our heart when we see these situations happen where, I have to go back to the consumer to get additional money for a proper repair because you just didn't have the right coverages in the first place. So that's a real big thing that you want to make sure that you're doing on there too. Most of the agents are looking just to sell what the monthly rate is for your policy, but they don't really go over all the coverages with you. So I empower you to reach out to them today. Don't wait till it's too late. Don't wait until it costs you thousands of dollars out of pocket, and make sure that you're properly covered. It's very sad out there right now. They said you get in an accident, there's a 1 out of 4 chance that you're either hit by somebody that's uninsured or not insured. So don't wait until it's too late. Call us at Arizona Collision Center.